Today we're featuring the new 2021 Venza Limited Hybrid that gets up to 40 miles per gallon. The stylish multi-layer dark gray front grille with chrome accent is home to Toyota's pre-collision system and radar dynamic cruise control, both part of Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. Another feature of Toyota's Safety Sense are the LED projector headlights with automatic high beams and dual LED daytime running lights designed to maximize visibility in all conditions. The body color door handles integrate the smart key system on all doors and liftgate with push-button start, remote keyless entry with lock, unlock, panic, and remote illuminated entry. You'll enjoy the convenience of the Venza's sensor-activated height-adjustable hands-free power liftgate with jam protection, and the LED taillights and LED center stoplight will give you fast braking warning. The color-keyed and heated power outside mirrors with turn signal and blind spot warning indicators include rear cross traffic alert. In addition, with Toyota Safety Sense, you get the Venza's pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and many more features to keep you safe. The 3-passenger rear seating with 60/40 split fold-flat seats helps you maximize cargo area configurations. Additional rear seating options are also available. The Softex seating surfaces add luxury and ease of use for cleanup. The centerpiece of this Venza is Toyota's first ever star-gazed fixed panoramic roof, which can change from frosted glass to transparent with the push of a button. The overhead console contains LED map lights and the Safety Connect button for emergency services or roadside assistance communication. The Venza also comes with in-cabin Wi-Fi and a digital rear-view mirror with HomeLink. Check out the 12.3-inch Toyota infotainment system and 7-inch color LCD multi-information display. The heated leather-trimmed tilt telescopic 3-spoke steering wheel includes hands-free controls for phone and audio, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM, and Amazon Alexa. This Venza Limited also includes an 8-way heated power adjustable driver's seat with memory function and power lumbar support, and a heated 4-way power adjustable front passenger seat. The Roomy center console contains stylish ambient lighting, push-button start, and controls for the EV, Eco, Normal, and Sport drive modes, as well as the all-wheel drive integrated management to keep you safe whether you choose on-road or off-road. The Venza is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and roadside assistance for 2 years, regardless of mileage. So if you're looking for an SUV that's stylish, upscale, and fuel efficient, the new 2021 Toyota Venza Limited Hybrid is perfect for you. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.